What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're enjoying the video already, I'm pretty sure you already are, smash the like button. Don't forget about the giveaway that I have. It hasn't started yet, but it will start at 10K. So subscribe, share with your friends if you ain't already, and get ready for that. And yeah, stay tuned for the video, and just enjoy. That's all I gotta ask from you. If you're new and wondering what the video is, it's a pit bike giveaway. So like I said, subscribe, share with your friends. That's all you gotta do. Easy, simple. Tell your friends to subscribe to the channel for the giveaway, and tell them to tell their friends, and keep it going, guys. That's how it works. Yeah. What's up, guys? Second time I said what's up today, but what's up? Third time I said what's up. Fourth time. Alright, enough what's ups. What was I gonna say? Too many what's ups made me forget what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, what I was gonna say is, do y'all enjoy the videos like shots, like setting the camera up on a tripod, getting shots, taking shots? Do y'all enjoy those types of videos, like vlog style type videos, or the GoPro footage more? Drop some comments down below, tell me which you like better. Even if you did like the GoPro footage better, I'm still gonna do the shots. I enjoy making the shots and setting up the camera, taking shots more. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what my videos are based upon, is shots, moto vlogs, vlog type dirt bike stuff. So if you enjoy that type of stuff, smash the comments. Let me know down in the smash the like button, and let me know down in the comments what you think. Yeah, there we go. Much better. Riding a dirt bike and not even looking where I'm going. No helmet kind of day. That's how you ride a dirt bike. Just like that, and then you crash into the fence. Bike. Don't ever ride a dirt bike trying to vlog. No good. I thought I done lost my clutch. I thought my clutch was gone completely, not all the way gone, but I thought it was pretty much all the way, like, I don't know what I'm saying. I thought my clutch was gone because I had to push it, like, I had to pull the lever almost all the way, pretty much all the way for the clutch to even engage. So I thought about this right here, because you can tighten it up, tighten the clutch up, tighten the cable up, and that's what it was. Couldn't get it tightened up as much as I wanted to get it tightened up, because the threads, not really the threads, but the threads where it screws into, I mean, I can just like get some pliers and squeeze it back, and it's just a little bit loose, and it'll like kind of like, it like slides down in there. Don't know how to explain it really, but I got it fixed better than it was. So back to riding. I probably just made myself sound like the stupidest person on the earth, but it's hard to talk to a camera when you're just talking to yourself pretty much. Cut me some slack. I'm learning day by day, video by video, and one day I'll be professional, so don't worry. I said, why not get the GoPro, take some footage on the GoPro. It's getting late out, it's getting late, and taking shots takes a lot of time of the day up. So I gotta finish the video, so I thought I'd finish it off with some good old GoPro footage. It's probably dark, too dark in my trails. Hopefully the camera does good. I've noticed where in the woods, pretty much just in the woods, yeah, just in the woods, it has like, it pixelates a lot, and it like goes blurry and then comes back, and it ain't just me that it does it to. I've been watching other people's videos and it does it to them too, and I don't know why. I guess all this just bugs the camera, just messes with it, but who cares, let's ride. I need a new front tire, I'm telling you, it just slides too much. See that? About spit out. I about slide out every time. I can't even turn without sliding out. Ain't gonna be much GoPro footage, but at least there's gonna be some footage. I can do better than that, come on. Remember, I'm doing a giveaway on that Apollo 125cc dirt bike. So tell your friends about it, tell them I'm doing a pit bike giveaway. And yeah, that's all you gotta do. Subscribe, share, and you're entered to win. And I'll pick one of y'all guys. I gotta reach 10K. After I reach 10K, we'll start the giveaway and it'll go on from there. So when I hit 10K, we'll decide how I'll give it away and what my goal is that I'll give it away at. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out. There we go. Probably won't be doing any more videos this week or in the next few days. Got some family stuff going on. A family member passed away, so we'll be doing, you know, what goes on when that happens. But for the guys that's watching right now, at the end of the video, you're the ones that really support me and that are true to my channel. So thank you guys. And yeah, show some love in the comments. And I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Peace out.